Let's make healthy kids meal, broccoli carrot soup, and the main ingredients are broccoli, carrot, milk and cheese, and I have all the ingredients and details in the description below, so do check it out. So chop broccoli into pieces. I've taken 2 cups of broccoli. You can take frozen broccoli or fresh. Broccoli is loaded with vitamin K, vitamin C, folate and calcium. It's a very healthy vegetable. So make sure broccoli is washed before you chop it. Take 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and once the butter starts melting, I'll add the vegetable. I've added broccoli, and now I'm going to add 1 cup of grated carrot. I don't want butter to get brown, so as soon as it melts, I add the vegetable, and the butter will melt when you're stirring the vegetables. So now I'm going to add 1 cup of whole milk. You can also add half and half. So give it a quick stir. Now we want to make this soup the right consistency, make it a little bit thick. So I'm going to add take 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or cornstarch, and I'm going to make a paste using brown rice broth. And I have the recipe of how to make brown rice broth in the description below. I have the link. So make a paste by adding brown rice broth. You can also use vegetable broth or you can use water. I prefer to add nutrition to the kids meal. So make it a smooth paste. And now we are going to add this all-purpose flour paste to the soup, and keep on stirring while you're adding this so that the lumps are not formed. And I'm going to add I'm adding like about 1.5 to 2 cups of brown rice broth. You can either use vegetable broth or water, or you can use half of brown rice broth and half of vegetable broth. So now it's time to add spices, and I'm going to add nutmeg. Nutmeg is a winter spice and it goes very well with this soup. So add about 1/8 spoon of nutmeg powder, and I'm also going to spice this soup with black pepper. So add black pepper, and this soup we are going to simmer it on a low medium heat for about 20 to 25 minutes because we want the aroma of all-purpose flour and the taste of all-purpose flour to be gone. We don't want to feel that taste. So simmer it on a low medium flame for about 20 to 25 minutes and stir in between after every 7 to 8 minutes. And I'm going to add some salt. Add very little salt because we are going to add cheese, and for soups you can always add just the salt later on. So let this simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. And this soup is very healthy, but the downside is any dishes with broccoli can create gas for kids. So serve it during early time of the day. I serve any broccoli recipes or dishes early time of the day when the kids are active, so they don't have the gas. So now it's time to add cheese. Add 2 cups of grated cheese, and once I add the cheese, I'm going to put off the stove and stir it, and the heat in the soup will melt the cheese very nicely and it will give it a right consistency. You can serve this with bread, and it's very yummy, healthy and delicious. I hope you like my recipe, and please post in the comments your experiences or if you have any questions about this recipe. So it's ready to be served.